Welcome, dear aspirants, towards the topic. The last part of hydrocarbons is aromatic hydrocarbon, which are also known as arenes. This is the first year topic, chemistry. Yes. What is aroma? The name word aroma in Greek language is pleasant smelling. So the benzene is the first compound noticed by the scientists, and that is with the sweet smelling. That's why the name is suggested as aromatic compound. Yes, the first one is cyclic polymerization of particularly polymerization of acetylene, nothing but ethine. Acetylene is, yes. How do we understand this preparation method? Very simple. The structure of ethane is like this: CH, triple bond CH, one molecule. Next CH, triple bond CH, second molecule. Third molecule is CH, triple bond CH. Instead of like these three, what we have to take? Simply 3 moles of C2H2 molecular formula. These gases are passed over red hot iron tube. Red hot iron tube. Then what happened? 3 molecules are trimerized. How? As the bond is broken here, the pi bond. As this is cleaved here and this is cleaved here, and all these are combined, and what is produced? This is red hot iron tube. Yes, you got a cyclic compound as CH, triple bond becomes double bond. Then here CH, triple bond becomes double bond. Here CH, triple bond becomes double bond. Then due to this, what happened? A single bond is resulted. This is nothing but benzene. As instead of this one, you can also write like this. Hexagon is recorded without showing carbon hydrogens, just 6 corners of ring. Then inside these are alternate single bonds and double bonds, so you can write a circle inside that one. This is also valid one. As here simple answer is C6H6. It is polymerization or trimerization. The product is benzene and the reactant is acetylene or ethine. IUPAC name we are following, ethine. This is one method. Previously you took from acetylene or ethine, properties of ethine. Here the preparation method of benzene. Clear? Next one. So in the examination, in the previous case, we need to write statement. Statement carries 1 mark and equation carries 1 mark is a general style if it is a 2 marks information in the board examination. So in this case, what we have to do? Yes, ethine gas is passed through red hot iron tube. Trimerizes to give or to give. If you are easy to memorize, that trimerizes, or not possible to memorize means iron tube to give, to produce, to form. To give, to produce, to form any one benzene. Yes, the reactant is ethine, the product is benzene. Yes, how is the equation? This is 1 mark. Equation is C2H2 3 moles. Yes, red hot iron tube is another one, and you have to write C6H6 NF. This is the way of scoring marks in the examination with the same information. Yes, the next one is decarboxylation of salt of, this word is not used in the book but it is required, salt of aromatic acids, aromatic carboxylic acids. Simply acids given, that is carboxylic acids. What is carboxylic acid group? COOH. COOH converted into salt, COONA. So statement, some gap I am leaving here and will be taken. Now equation first we have to take, that is benzene ring. Yes, inside you have to write a circle that shows double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond alternately present. Then COOH group is carboxylic acid group, salt is formed, Na. So its name is sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is a decarboxylation. Already in alkanes we observed soda lime. This is heated with soda lime. What is soda lime? Sodium hydroxide with calcium oxide. This mixture is called soda lime. Yes, what is removed here? COO group is removed in this manner for understanding purpose. And this is a H5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hydrogens plus 1 hydrogen, 6 hydrogens. So you got C6H6 plus this Na becomes Na2 and CO3. This reaction is known as decarboxylation. Second is also repeated. So second PU also. So if you prepare here, very easy to catch in the second year, but many second year students are struggling in this manner. I don't know. This is benzene. How is benzene prepared? Benzene is prepared by decarboxylation of. So how do you write? Benzene is prepared by decarboxylation of, or heating, decarboxylation of sodium benzoate heated with soda lime. What is soda lime? One more question. Yes, this is passive voice. Or sodium benzoate is heated with soda lime to give benzene. In this way also you can write. That is your choice and your knowledge. Yes. For 1 mark, what will be asked? For 1 mark, what is soda lime? Soda lime is mixture of NaOH plus CaO is your answer. That much. In which ratio? 3:1. This is for CET point of view. This portion. This is your answer. Okay. Prepare in this manner. Continue the discussions under preparation methods of benzene. Benzene can also be prepared from phenol. What is phenol? Yes, phenol is benzene ring OH group. This is hexagon. Inside you have to write or double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Your choice. If you are not convenient, better to write inside a circle. Circle is missing means that becomes cyclohexane. And what is attached? OH group is attached. This compound is known as, OH is alcohol generally. OH attached to benzene ring is known as phenol. Yes, this phenol is treated with a metal. The metal is zinc. This is also repeated in the second year. Zinc has affinity over oxygen and it gives, yes, removal of oxygen is nothing but reduction, and here what is observed? This hydrogen, this C6H5 becomes benzene ring like this. So it is benzene. In other way, what you have to write? This is molecular formula C6H5OH plus metal zinc. Then what is produced? Phenol is produced. The mixture is to be heated. So heating symbol is like this. Heating symbol is like this. Then you will get C6H5 and this hydrogen becomes H6, and as usual zinc oxide. Okay, this is the way of writing. Yes, statement is 1 mark. How do you write statement? Yes, phenol is treated, heated with. Phenol is heated. Why? Because the symbol is heating. Heated with which metal? With zinc dust to give what is produced? Benzene. Passive voice. Another way, how do you write this sentence? You can also write the sentence like this. Benzene is prepared by heating phenol with zinc. This is also correct. That you have to enjoy. Yes. This is yes. Which form is easy to you? That you have to practice. Either this form or this form. This is your choice. In which way you are convenient. That is very, very important. And write without mistakes. Let us have a recapitulation of all the methods of preparation of benzene which is prescribed in the syllabus. That is, first one is C2H2 is trimerizes in the presence of red hot iron tube. Second method is C6H5 COONA is heated with NaOH plus CaO. The mixture is heated. Then what is obtained? That is third one, C6H5OH heated with zinc metal. As in all cases, what is produced? Benzene is produced from all these combinations. As in the second year, one more will be taken by you. That is benzene diazonium chloride. As this is important for these two are will be repeated in second PU also. So if you learn here, you feel very comfort in the second year syllabus. Yes. Extra information I don't want to give at this stage. This is sufficient. Let us have physical properties of this aromatic hydrocarbon. Yes, what you are observed, there are some liquids and with a higher number or more number of carbon atoms, they are in solid state. And what is your experience like naphthalene balls? Naphthalene balls are white in color and it is used in our daily life in toilets as well as in protecting clothes in the shelves. In all these cases, that is a familiar and smell producing compound, that is naphthalene. This is solid. So liquids and solids are generally absorbed. Now take that one. Aromatic hydrocarbons are S. Is there any polarity? Carbon hydrogen bonds are there. So these are nothing but alkenes and they are non-polar. Yes, aromatic hydrocarbons are non-polar. Why non-polar? Carbon-carbon bond and carbon-hydrogen bond are not showing any difference in electronegativity that much. Non-polar. Okay. Then what is the physical state? Yes, liquids and solids. What is the liquids? Example, benzene. And solids, example, naphthalene. Yes. What is naphthalene? Naphthalene balls are familiar in our daily life. and used in toilets as well as preservation of clothes, already I explained. Then it is moth repellent property. Yes, it has moth repellent property. And they are producing unique smell. This is producing unique smell or odor. Right. What about the solubility? In which solvents these are soluble? Yes. Observe the first point. Solubility. Yes. Solubility. Observe. These are non-polar. So these are soluble in. These are soluble. Nothing but miscible in. Miscible in which solvents? Organic solvents. What are organic solvents? Organic solvents like CCl4, CHCl3, ether, etc. As very important point. So what is the characteristic property of S? This is called ignition test. In ignition test, yes, this is Viva also in the second year. Yes, ignition test means if you burn, take in a spatula. Yes, spatula is observed. Yes, in the spatula you are taken organic compound as directly heated to flame, Bunsen flame. Bunsen flame. Then what happened? Burns with a smoky flame. So that is a characteristic of which hydrocarbon burns with a sooty or smoky flame? Burns with sooty or smoky flame. That is a property of aromatic hydrocarbon. Why? Because aromatic smoke, as you are experiencing in your daily life, as camphor, if we burn in front of God or goddess, it burns with some smoke. Like that, these are also burn with smoke, and this property is known as burns with a smoky or sooty flame. That is a characteristic of aromatic hydrocarbon. Aliphatic hydrocarbon burns with blue flame. Yes, you have a doubt. Aliphatic hydrocarbons burns with blue flame. Question is asked, why they burn with a smoky flame? Yes, the reason is more number of carbon atoms. Large number of carbon atoms not converted into carbon dioxide. Okay, that is the reason for this one. So this you have to prepare towards examination. Less important for a board point of view, just only appreciation purpose. Continue after physical properties, shall move to a very important area, chemical properties of benzene. As largely benzene and related compounds undergo electrophilic substitution. Reason will be taken in other session as the reason. Next, under special conditions, in addition to commonly performing electrophilic substitution, sometimes they may undergo addition reaction and also oxidation reaction under certain conditions or special conditions. Now move to electrophilic substitution. So an electrophile is produced. What is an electrophile? Electron deficient species is an electrophile, and that is produced during the progress of the reaction, and in the place of one atom or group of atoms, another atom or group of atoms removed is known as substitution reaction. Yes, nitration. For nitration, what is taken? Nitration mixture is taken, that is sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Both are concentrated 1:1 ratio. That mixture is called nitration mixture. Yes, so benzene is heated with nitration mixture. Nitration mixture. What is nitration mixture is doubt to you, and that is 1:1 ratio of concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid at 50 to 60 degrees centigrade. Temperature is very important. Don't use higher temperatures. Some other reactions reaction is performed. That's why 50 to 60 degrees centigrade temperature is maintained to give what is obtained. We'll wait for some time. First go for that one. As benzene. Benzene is generally written benzene ring, cyclohexane ring, inside one ring, that is benzene, nothing but C6H6 treated with, as here HNO3 playing a role, that is HNO3, and it makes favorable the substitution reaction favorable by which one? Sulfuric acid. This is heated at 273 plus 50, 323 Kelvin to 333 Kelvin. Both are same, that is degree centigrade, this is Kelvin scale. And what is happened? Same benzene ring. Yes, in the place of one hydrogen, 6 hydrogens are there. Hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Any one hydrogen is equivalent, replaced by NO2 group. From this one, which group is introduced? NO2. You can write here, 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 anywhere. Yes, NO2 group. So from this one, OH and here one H is removed as H2O. And what is the name of NO2 group? Name of NO2 group is nitro. And remaining part is known as benzene. As we got nitrobenzene. How do you convert benzene into nitrobenzene is the question. How is our answer? Heated with nitric acid and sulfuric acid at 323 to 333 Kelvin. Higher temperature means second NO2 is also introduced, third NO2 is also introduced. That is to be controlled in a certain manner, and here to give nitrobenzene. Here the electrophile formed is NO2 plus. Later will be explained at the end of this session. Yes, the next reaction is halogenation. Means halogen like F2Cl2Br2I2. So F2 is explosive reaction, and take Cl2 in the presence of Cl2 and Br2 are very convenient to participate in the halogenation reaction. Halogen means we are introducing halogen to benzene ring. Yes, take benzene ring as the suitable halogen, either Cl2 or Br2. Okay, Cl2 taken, and to perform this reaction we need a catalyst. The catalyst is Lewis acid. What is Lewis acid? Electron pair acceptor is Lewis acid, that is anhydrous AlCl3. Without water molecule, this is anhydrous AlCl3, and both are combined and it becomes AlCl4 minus Cl plus. Cl plus is attacked on one of the corners of benzene, and one of the hydrogens replaced by one chlorine. You got. Yes, take this benzene ring, any one place you have to introduce Cl, and one hydrogen, one Cl becomes HCl is the product. As HBr and HI is making reversible reaction, that's why Cl2 Br2 are convenient halogens. F2 is not that much, and instead of this one, what is other one also used? Yes, ferrous halides are used. They are FeCl3, FeBr3. This is extra information. FeBr3, AlCl3. Yes. How do you write the statement? Benzene is treated with or reacted with Cl2 or Br2 in the presence of Lewis acid, anhydrous AlCl3 to give what is produced? Chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is produced. So the name of the product is chlorobenzene, and it is benzene. How do you convert benzene into chlorobenzene? This is the type of reaction. Yes, if you do this one, excess amount is taken. Excess amount is taken, what will happen? Yes, take a side one. Yes, same benzene, excess amount of Cl2 in the presence of same anhydrous AlCl3. Then instead of one hydrogen, 6 hydrogens are substituted and we got benzene. Yes, all corners, hydrogen of all corners replaced by chlorine atoms, and you got a compound plus 6HCl. The name of the compound is how many chlorines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So its name is hexachlorobenzene. These two are same, halogenation. And what is halogenation? Halogen is introduced into benzene ring by replacing one or more hydrogens in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. What is sulfonation? Yes, sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide combination is as here, sulfuric acid, sulfur trioxide and sulfuric acid. The mixture is known as fuming sulfuric acid or oleum. Fuming sulfuric acid or oleum. What is oleum? H2S2O7. By combination of these two, the product is H2S2O7. And what we are doing, benzene is heated with benzene is heated with yes, H2SO4 plus SO3 to give, yes, which group is introduced? SO3H group is introduced. That reaction is known as introduction of a sulfonic acid group. Yes, introducing SO3H group. That reaction is known as sulfonation. Introducing halogen is called halogenation to give benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Yes. In this case, what you have to write? Benzene ring as usual plus H2SO4 and SO3. The mixture is heated. Yes, heated. Then you got benzene ring as usual. One hydrogen is replaced, one OH, and here H2O is removed, and this gives SO3H. So its name is benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. It is benzene. Yes. These things you have to practice. Remaining reactions will be continued.